Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we are going to look at shipping companies, and I wanted to compare ZIM with Ardmore Shipping. So look at the two charts. ZIM went from 80 to 20. So that's maybe 80% crash, and everyone was saying it's very cheap at this price because the PE was 1. Well, why did it crash 80%? Look at Ardmore Shipping. 4 to 13, it went up 3 times. Why did this company go up 3 times and this crash by 80%? You might think these are just shipping companies, so they are the same, but that's completely wrong. These are completely different businesses. This is a container shipping company. This is a chemical and oil tanker business. These are completely different businesses. So as a quick update, tankers are in a bull market because we know that demand is going up for the oil. Shipping will need to be much longer, so you have more ton-mile demand. Fleet growth is going to 0. Not a lot of orders. Order book is very low. A lot of demolitions are coming. Fleet growth going down, and more oil tankers needed. So oil tankers are in a bull market. So that's why this is going up. And container ships are in a bear market. Why? Just look at this chart. New build capacity for the containers is going to go through the roof in the coming years. We are only here right now, 200,000. It's going to go up much more. A lot of container ships are coming onto the market, so the container rates will go down. Also, the economy is in recession. Nobody needs containers, okay? Mostly used in retail. Nobody needs that. We need energy. We don't need containers. So this is in a bear market, and that's why ZIM is going down. Now let's look at the valuations. You might think maybe it's good to buy here. Okay, let's see. So this is the ZIM presentation, and the most important chart is this one. So today, the last 12 months EBITDA is at 9 billion. So net earnings could be, let's say, 7 billion, a bit lower. But look at where it is coming from. It is coming from here. 400 million, 600 million. Just 1 year ago, it was at 1 billion EBITDA. Why is it now at 9 billion? That's because of the high rates. Look at the high rates, 270. So these are the rates. And it's coming from 100. So it has almost tripled in rates. Well, there is a reason why this is only July, because after July, everything crashed. Container rates have crashed back to almost 100. So that's also why the earnings will be going down. Because when your revenue, and let's take a look at the revenue, where can we find it? Okay, so here, for example, here, revenue 3 billion, net income 1 billion. So it's about half. But if the revenue drops in half, then the net income is almost zero. That is what's going to happen. You can see it here as well. 7 billion revenue, net profit 3 billion. If this halves to 3.5, then this is going to zero, right? And that's what's going to happen because our container shipping rates have plunged from 270 back to 100, almost half. So that's why I think ZIM's earnings will be very low going forward. And the bear market has just started. So this is why I don't think this is a very good investment, because there's no catalyst. The catalyst is negative because we're in a bear market for containers. Ardmore Shipping, however, we are in a positive catalyst here. Let's look at their presentation. So we are now at 28 million earnings, and for the next quarter it will be 65 million earnings. Why is this? Because their rates are going up. Oil demand is going up. Here, the rates are going up. So second quarter, third quarter, the rates have gone from 27 to 42. Will probably keep on rising because we are in a tanker bull market. So earnings will keep on rising. And today we are at, as I said, 60 million, 65 million. So that's about 270 million net earnings. So that's a PE of 2. Very cheap. I almost want to buy this, but I am invested in other things. So, but I think this is a very good company, PE of 2, and in a bull market. Okay. So this is important to know, that not all shipping companies are the same. You have container ships and you have tankers. And knowing this is very crucial, because if you bought this one, you were down 80%. If you bought this one, you were up threefold. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.